Hi, future billionaires! Advert Academy finally opens. First, it's a great honor to be here, spend time with you together. You all are the elite, the top 10% of the people in this industry. Only the very best people in the field will take the time and make the sacrifice to come for a conference like this. I'm going to share with you some of the most important ideas that would help you to know more about this industry. When it comes to affiliate marketing, there are a lot of different questions you probably have. This can include questions about traffic, offers, landing pages, and so many others. It can definitely get overwhelming, but trust me, everyone has been there before. We're here to help you get all those questions answered. So today, we're going to learn about what the offer exactly is. Let's get started. So what is the offer? People say that a good offer is half of a success. Offer is the most important source for affiliates to make money. If you think of it as a game, you can understand the offer as a task. The task you get more, the money you earn more. There are 100 types of offer which can really help you make money. That is a question. So let's figure out what the offer exactly is, and I will introduce you offer types and their characteristics. So offer is a company that has a contract with the aliens to indicate that a customer is indeed and is prepared to pay a certain amount for the actions of each potential customer on its website. Here are different ways for measuring performance in affiliate marketing: CPM, CTR, CPA, and CPC. I will introduce to you one by one in detail. So the first one, CPM, cost per mille. When used in online advertising, it relates to the cost per 1,000 page impressions. CPM is usually referred to the numbers of clicks registered in a website by readers. Ad networks, such as AdSense, calculate ad revenue for website based on CPM. And the second one, CTR, click-through rate. This is a way of measuring the success of an online advertising campaign. A CTR is a percentage obtained by dividing the number of users who clicked on an ad on a web page by the number of times the ad was delivered. For example, if a banner ad was delivered 100 times and one person clicked on it, then the resulting CTR would be 1% and will be displayed as 1.00. Well, the third one is CPA, cost per action, or we can also call it cost per acquisition. Advertising is performance-based and is common in the affiliate marketing sector of the business. In this payment scheme, the publisher takes all the risk of running the ad, and the advertiser pays only for the amount of users who complete a transaction, such as purchase or sign up. This is the best type of rate to pay for banner advertisement and the worst type of rate to charge. The last one, CPC, it means cost per click. This is a payment option that compensates a publisher whenever their referred customer click on a link for an advertiser's offer. CPC is also an internet marketing formula used to price banner ads. Some advertiser will pay publisher based on the number of the times a banner is clicked. Categories and features. Well, the number of offer is tens and thousands, and there are many different types, but you can't eat them all at once. Some network will focus on a specific area. Maybe adults, maybe games, maybe weight loss, etc. There are many different types of offers available. The affiliate network you join determines the breadth of offers you can promote. Before you officially run the offer, you have to first understand what types of offer and their corresponding features. Here we have listed some offer types for your reference. As we can see in the chart, there are 5 topics: for newbies, black hat, crypto and casino, games and apps. And the last one, others, are for some specific offers. Dating and matchmaker. This type of offer focuses on the traffic quality, and advertisers generally set offer cap. Whether or not registered members have a consumption is the key point. The payment model for dating verticals is not the same as the other areas we have discussed, and it generally uses the PPL. You don't need users to pay for it, just convince them to use his profile to sign up. Also, there are two modes. The first one is SOI offers. When the user signs up for a profile, then you will be paid. And the second one is DOI offers. When the user signs up for a profile and confirms his or her email account by clicking the activation link, then you will be paid. At present, the dating offers are getting less due to the traffic restrictions. The main road is on adult dating, and most affiliates runs it. This kind of offers are generally based on registration billing. Assessment quality is more concerned about recharge. The second type of offer that I would recommend for newbies is sweepstakes and freebie. This can include the email submit and the zip. This type of offer leads users to fill the personal information and complete a survey by giving them a chance to win a grand prize. We also call it co-registration. Profit model is the user information collection and the questionnaires. There are 7 to 8 questions in general, and then it will lead you to the company page, then finally takes you to the sales page. Now let's talk about Black Hat. We all know Black Hat and knockoff are always the main part of the direct marketing. Facebook native traffic and adult traffic are the main channels of the CPS. It should be noted that pay-on-delivery of COD business has sprung up in Southeast Asia in the past 2 years, and there are two methods. The first one is free trial. They generally provide a 40-day trial period. You have to return the product in 40 days without any damage. Besides, they will charge you $99 to $199 as the temporary deduction from your credit card. There will be hidden terms in the contract which would easily left in a basket by the users. This usually contains slimming and muscle strengthening. The second one is CPS. The advertiser generally have a variety of products for e-commerce. There is no trial period. It requires direct selling for a successful transaction, so it would be a little difficult to convert. So it may not be suitable for newbies. The next type of offer I want to introduce to you is casino and crypto. Casino. Gambling is the oldest and the most stable offer in this industry. We have a certain understanding of the audience, which is a really good point. The profit term of casino is relatively long and it needs to be recharged. Running on Facebook and adult platform would be proper, but of course, adult traffic is not as popular as it used to be. Cryptocurrency. They provide trading exchange of cryptocurrency, such as BTC and ETH, which need the users to register, become a member of the platform. The other way to get paid is to take a commission from the user's transaction. The other big category is game and app. Game. This includes mobile games and PC games. PC games require users to fill the register form. It includes a username and a password, simple and convenient. Mobile games generally require users to install the app. Also, it's on Facebook are profitable and it grows fast. It is a great potential market for internet era. Most game offers are required to be registered, installed, or be activated. Games are one of the few areas that have developed well in the global mobile marketing. It doesn't mean that the offer based on the traditional network has gone. I believe you can still find a large number of game offers because the affiliates are still have a strong passion on it. We must grasp the good opportunity and have a cute market tactile sensation and stronger analyze. We all know how competitive the market is. App promotion is mainly settled by CPI, with in-app advertising and conversion to liquidate. The domestic trend of app was on the rise in 2014, and a large number of advertiser and channels and affiliate networks rose, mainly based on tools. Our domestic tools covered 51.7% of overseas Android users. The last category is special. I refer to them collectively as others. First, toolbar and DDL plugin. MindSpark is a plugin company whose biggest advertiser is Google, 1,000 times per $60. App's current liquidity is not optimistic, so I think PC plugins are the future trend. Second, payday loan and insurance and education. CPL needs a data collection, then they will contact customers and marketing in other ways. It is literally attractive for some specific affiliates. Third, pay-per-call. This type of offer is applicable to legal counsel and private clinics. Their profit model is web phone call to phone transfer, then it will start to charge a minute later. Fourth, mobile subscription and web subscription. The subscription market mainly contains video, wallpaper, antivirus, and minigames. The conversion method include one-click and two-click. One-click only need users to click the subscription button, while two-click would also need users to send a confirmation from the mobile. Well, that's all for today. Of course, the imagination space of the affiliate marketing is infinite. We just picked the most typical offers for you guys to use as a reference. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tomorrow, we're gonna teach you how to find affiliate offers. If you like this video, stay tuned for the rest of our content sharing. See you!